Good evening, everyone. This is Anthony, Wall Street Trader at 7:13 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Sunday, October 17, 2021. This isn't financial advice. It's educational. Click the subscribe and the bell to be notified of these videos when they come out. And click the thumbs up and share the video with your friends and colleagues who are interested in Quant networks. And by the way, one of the better cryptos I've seen and covered, this is purely a corporate type of technology for integration across multiple platforms. Corporations spend millions, billions, and possibly trillions of dollars on technology integrations and technology development. I think it's a really big deal in terms of its use case, this integration type of capability that they have. Intraday updates are on that Twitter link below. Let's go into Quant. Quant right now is looking, we're still very well on that 265 range. No questions about it. I think we're in a nice spot where we're at right now. Bouncing off of, I put this new line here. This is new price action, very short-lived, from October 12th. So we're starting to see a new trend forming, albeit upward, and upward at a steeper slope, might I add. So it all works out. The lower line actually with a higher line of support seems to be in force right now. So we've hit it multiple times down here and it bounced up. In fact, we're starting to bounce back up over that yellow line and we're probably tight around close to the 300. We hit a couple of peaks over the last day or two. We hit like 328, 329, came back down. But there seems to be a general area of support here, and we are definitely on the trend up. Now let's go take a, so my at least the next couple of days, we're certainly going to be over this, in my view, over the 290 area. In the meantime, Quant relative to Bitcoin, we have been over this 472 handle for a reasonable period of time. I mean, this wiki stuff doesn't count, not out of it long enough to make it real. But we are out of this channel, and that is the thing that we need to get back in. So we'll continue to follow this, but right now I think we have a very good line of support here. As you can see, a resistance area, which is now support. So that's Quant Bitcoin. Now over to Bitcoin US dollar, we are looking at what is the what these two patterns are. We isolated them and knew that when we were down here at 40 that we'd be bouncing back up. And that's what we've been doing. 80,000 is the target, and I think we'll get there. So we have another 2.5 months. Look, we already rose from 40 to 62. I mean, we're up 50% in only a few weeks, so we only need 30% left to go just to get ourselves up to 80. Look, we have already hit my minimum achieved target, which is 60,000. We're at 61,000. Handily. Now, in the meantime, looking over at Bitcoin on a Bitcoin dominance, still in the channel on the way up. There's no question about it. This looks like a straight up textbook pattern W, but I think it's gonna just mosey on up. It's not anything crazy here. It's not really truly impacting the altcoin market as much, at least for the cryptos I've been covering. They are not getting completely demolished here, so this is okay. We don't have it's not going straight up or straight down. So it's at a reasonable pace here. We can tolerate it on the altcoin market, especially given that Bitcoin is rising. That's important to note, because if the Bitcoin rises 40% and this thing rises 20%, that's 20% back over the altcoin market generally across the altcoin market. However, and as you know, certain altcoins will certainly stand to benefit more because there are always better ones and there are always weaker ones. So anyway, let's move over to Quant US dollar. Just again, to recap, probably going to be range bound here somewhere between 300 to 292, but a proper pop above 300, I think we should start lifting off. And more importantly, a nice bounce off of this 474 range would be very helpful. But we're going to continue to monitor this, and I'll keep you posted on Twitter. Bye.